Next examples in the exercise 5.2. Let's see example. D and E divides sides BC and CA of a triangle ABC in the ratio in the ratio 2:3 respectively. Find the position vector of the point find the position vector of the point of intersection of AD and BE and the ratio in which this point divides AD and B. Okay, here. Now, here it is a triangle ABC. Okay, here we consider a triangle. It is a triangle A, B and C. Now, point D divides BC. Point D divide BC and E divide CA in the ratio 2:3. D divides BC. Okay, it is 2:3. Suppose here D and E divide CA in the ratio 2:3. Now it is a E. Okay. Then we find the position vector of point of intersection of AD and BE. Here AD and BE, it is a point of intersection. Okay, we find the position vector of this point. Okay, now first we write the position vectors of all given points. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar and E bar are position vectors of points A, B, C, D and E respectively with respect to origin, and given that point D and E divides sides BC and CA in the ratio 2:3 respectively. Okay, therefore point D divide BC in the ratio 2:3. Therefore we can write D bar is equal to 2 into C bar plus 3 into B bar upon 2 plus 3, that is 5, and E bar is equal to E divides CA internally in the ratio 2:3. Therefore 2 into A bar plus 3 into C bar upon 2 plus 3, again it is 5. Okay, it is a position vector of D and it is position vector of E. D divide BC internally in the ratio 2:3 and E divide CA internally in the ratio 2:3. Okay, then it is a position vector of D bar, it is point D, and it is a position vector of point E. We find the position vector of point of intersection of AD and BE. Okay, here let it is P. Okay, suppose let P with position vector P bar be point of intersection of AD and BE. Okay. Then there is a position vector काढायचा आहे. P is a point of intersection of AD and BE. That means P divides AD, also P divides BE. Okay, it is a point of intersection. That means P on the line AD and BE. But we don't know the ratio. Therefore, we consider P divides AD in the ratio m:1 and P divides BE in the ratio n:1. Okay, here let P divides AD in the ratio P divides AD in the ratio here m:1. m:1. Okay. Therefore, P bar is equal to P divides AD in the ratio m:1. Therefore, m into D bar plus 1 into A bar upon m plus 1. Then this can be written as m into D bar. D bar it is 2C bar plus 3B bar upon 5 plus A bar and whole to the upon m plus 1. Okay, therefore we can write here, this can be written as, and it is m into 2, m into 3, and it is 5 into A. Therefore 2 m into C bar plus 3 m into B bar plus 5 into A bar whole to the upon 5 into m plus 1. It is a P bar. Okay, here 2m C bar, 3m B bar, and plus 5 A bar, and upon 5 here, 5 into m. Therefore, the vector P bar can be written as, therefore it is P bar is equal to, we can write in the form of A bar, B bar, and C bar. It is A bar, B bar, and C bar. Now 5 into m plus 1, divide this separate. It is plus plus, separate the denominator. Therefore we can write 5 upon 5m plus 1 A bar. Okay, here 5 upon 5m plus 1 A bar. Then 3m B bar upon 5m plus. Therefore it is 3m upon 5 into m plus 1 B bar plus 2m C bar upon 5 into m plus 1. Therefore 2m upon 5 into m plus 1 C bar. Okay. Here it is, this is the equation number 1. Okay, it is equation number 1. Now here P divides AD in the ratio m:1. Then again P divides BE in the ratio n:1. Again let P divides BE in the ratio n:1. Therefore we can write P bar is equal to n into e bar plus 1 into b bar upon n plus 1. Then again here n into e bar, it is a e bar, 2a bar plus 3c bar upon 5 plus b bar whole to the upon n plus 1. Then the calculation is 2n a bar plus 3n c bar plus 5b bar, okay, addition, okay, and then 5 take in the denominator, 5 into n plus 1, okay. See carefully. Therefore this vector, therefore p bar is a bar, b bar, c bar. It is a bar upon this c bar and it is b bar. Therefore 2n upon 5 into n plus 1 a bar plus b 5 upon 5n plus 1 b bar plus c, it is 3nc, 3n upon 5n plus 1 c bar. It is equation number 2. Now equation 1 and equation 2 represent the same point, okay. It is a position vector of p bar, it is also position vector of p bar. Therefore compare the components of the two vectors. These two vectors represent same point, okay. Therefore from 1 and 2, equating corresponding coefficients, okay, corresponding coefficients. Therefore we can write corresponding coefficient a bar and here a bar. Therefore it is 5 upon 5m plus 1 is equal to 2n upon 5n plus 1. It is equation number 4. It is 3. Okay. Then b bar, and it is b bar. 3m upon 5 into m plus 1 is equal to, here b bar it is 5. 5 upon 5 n plus 1. It is equation number 4. Then c bar, it is 2n 2m upon 5 into m plus 1 is equal to c bar, it is 3n upon, it is equation number 5. Now we find the value of m and n, that is the ratio m is to 1, it is the ratio which p divides ad, and n, it is the ratio p divides be, okay. We find the values of m and n using these relations, okay, here, okay. Now equation number 3 divided by equation number 5, this gives equation 3 divided by 5, equation 3, and it is 5, okay. Here 3 divided by 5, equation number 3, it is 5 upon 5m plus 1 upon 2m 5m plus 1 is equal to 2n upon 5n plus 1 whole to the upon 3n upon 5n plus 1. From this we can write, it is 5m plus 1, 5m plus 1 cancel, 5n plus 1, 5n plus 1 get cancel, here n cancel, and here 5 by 2 m is equal to, it is 2 by 3, and therefore we can write here m here, okay, it is a m is equal to 15 by 4. Here 3, it is a 15. 2, here 4, it is a 15 by 4, and take m here. M is equal to 15 by 4. Therefore, we get the value of m, and it is a positive. Therefore, P divides AD internally in the ratio m is to 1. That means the ratio 15 is to 4. ओके, एका साईडचा रेशो कळाला. आता आपल्याला दुसऱ्या साईडचा रेशो काढायचा आहे. ओके, सेम 3 डिवायडेड बाय 5 केलं, तसंच 4 डिवायडेड बाय 5 करा, तुम्हाला n ची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार. आणि एकदा n ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली, m ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली की पोझिशन वेक्टर काढता येते. ओके, आपल्याला क्वेश्चन काय काय विचारलेला आहे? फाइंड द पोझिशन वेक्टर. इट इज पोझिशन वेक्टर ऑफ P and the ratio in which the points divide AD and B. Okay, first we find the ratio, okay, and then we find the position vector. Okay, now हे मोडून टाकतो. ओके, इथपर्यंत लक्षात आलं सगळं. ओके, आता या दोन इक्वेशनचे कॅल्क्युलेशन. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. नाव आता 3 डिवायडेड बाय 5 गेलं, आता 4 डिवायडेड बाय 5. Therefore, equation number 4 divided by equation 5, this gives 4. It is 4. 4 divided by 5. We can directly write. Okay, 4 divided by 5. See carefully. 4 divided by 5. It is 5m plus 1. 5m plus 1 cancel. 3m, 2m. The m cancel. Here we get 3 by 2. Okay, and here 5n plus 1. 5n plus 1 cancel. Here 5 upon 3n, that means 3 by 2 and 5 by 3n. We get it is 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 3n. Okay, here dividing equation number 4 and 5. Okay, it is m cancel, 5m plus 1, 5m plus 1 cancel, 3 by 2. It is a 3 by 2. Again here 5m plus n plus 1, 5n plus 1 cancel. It is 5 upon 3n, and then we find the value of n. Therefore, n इकडे घ्या, बाकी हे दोन कॅल्क्युलेशन here. n is equal to 10 upon 9. n is equal to 10 upon 9. Then it is a value of n and it is a value of m. Therefore, point P divides AD internally in ratio 15 into 15 is to 4. Okay, and point P divides BE internally in ratio 10 is to 9. Okay, it is the first question. Okay, here ratio. Then we find the position vector of point P. Okay, ही रिलेशन यूज करा किंवा ही रिलेशन यूज करा, दोन्हीपैकी कोणतीही एक रिलेशन यूज करा. P divides, we find the position vector of P. P divides AD internally in the ratio 15 is to 4, or P divides BE in the ratio 10 is to 3. Okay, कोणतीही एक रिलेशन घ्या. Okay, now here second relation घेऊ. P divides BE internally in 10 is to 9. Therefore, we can write P bar is equal to 10 into E bar plus 9 into B bar upon 10 plus 9, and then it is 10 into E bar. Okay, E bar, E, it is E divides CA. E divide CA internally in the ratio 2 is to 3. Therefore, E bar is equal to 2A bar plus 3c bar upon 5 plus 9 into b bar whole to the upon 19. Okay, carefully pah. And then 5, 10, here 2, therefore it is 4a bar plus 6c bar and plus 9b bar upon 19. It is a position vector of p, therefore p bar is equal to 1 by 19 4a bar plus 9b bar plus 6c bar. Okay. Here e bar, okay, it is a e bar. E divide CA internally in the ratio 2:3. Therefore e bar is equal to 2 into a bar plus 3 into c bar upon 5, and then it is the ratio. Okay. Here it is the complete example. Okay. See carefully. Now next, next example, in triangle OAB, E is midpoint. E is the midpoint of OB and D is the point D is the point on AB such that AD is to DB is equal to 2:1. If OD and AE intersect at P, then determine the ratio OP is to PD using vector method. Using vector methods. Okay. Now here again same example as the last example. Here triangle is OAB. Then E is a midpoint of OB. E is a midpoint of OB and D is a point on AB such that AD is to DB. It is 2:1. Then D is a point on it is AB and ratio it is 2:1. Now here P is a point of intersection of OD and A. Okay. Then determine the ratio OP is to PD. OP is to PD. Last example circles हा ratio माहित नाही. Here M is to 1 and it is the ratio N is to 1. Okay. लास्ट एक्झाम्पल सारखंच कॅल्क्युलेशन करणार पूर्ण. ओके. आणि इथं फक्त क्वेश्चन एवढाच विचारलाय. लास्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये हाही रेशो काढायचा होता, हाही रेशो काढायचा होता आणि पोझिशन वेक्टर सुद्धा काढायचा होता. इथं फक्त तुम्हाला हा रेशो OP इच टू PD एवढंच काढायचं आहे. ओके, देन बट कॅल्क्युलेशन सेम. लेट फर्स्ट वी राईट द पोझिशन वेक्टर्स ऑफ ऑल गिव्हन पॉईंट. लेट A bar, it is triangle OAB, O is the origin. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar and E bar are position vectors of points A, B, C, D, E respectively with respect to origin. With respect to origin. Now here E is a midpoint of OB. E is a midpoint of OB. Therefore we can write E bar is equal to O bar plus B bar upon 2, and that is B bar by 2. That means E bar is equal to B bar by 2, and here D divides AB in the ratio 2:1 and D divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Therefore D bar is equal to 2 into B bar plus 1 into A bar upon 2 plus 1, that is 2B bar plus A bar upon 3. It is a D bar. E bar and D bar, it is a given. Okay, now P is a point of intersection. P is point of intersection of OD and AE. OD and AE. Therefore P divides, let P divides OD in the ratio M is to 1. Therefore P bar is equal to M into D bar plus 1 into O bar upon M plus 1, that is M into D bar it is 2B bar plus A bar upon 3, and it is a 0. Okay, लिहिलं नाही तरी जमते, आणि अपॉन इट इज M plus N. Therefore P bar is equal to P bar, it is 2MB bar plus MA bar upon 3 into here M plus 1. M plus 1. Okay, it is a P bar. We can write here M upon 3M plus 1 into A bar plus 2M upon 3 it is equation number 1. Okay, here it is a P bar. Now P divides AE in the ratio N is to N. Let P divides AE in the ratio N is to 1. Okay. Therefore we can write P bar is equal to N into E bar plus 1 into A bar upon N plus 1. Then n into b, it is e bar, b bar by 2 and plus a bar upon, it is n plus 1. Okay. Therefore p bar is equal to this, n b bar plus 2 a bar upon 2 into n plus 1, and that means 2 upon 2n plus 1 a bar plus n upon 2 n plus 1 b bar. It is equation number 2. Then equation 1 and 2 represent same point, therefore equating the corresponding components from 1 and 2. Corresponding components. Okay. Therefore we can write here a bar, it is a component 2 upon 2n, and here a bar m upon 3 plus 3 into m plus 1. Therefore it is m upon 3 into m plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1. It is equation number 3. Again it is coefficient of b bar, 2m upon 3 into m plus 1 is equal to, it is b bar n upon 2 into n plus 1. It is equation number 4. Now we divide equation number 3 and 4. Equation number 3 divide equation number 4. This gives divide. Okay, here m get cancelled, 3m plus 1 3m plus 1 get cancelled, here 1 by 2 remaining, it is 1 by 2 is equal to, here 2n plus 1 2n plus 1 cancel, here 2 by n, and therefore n is equal to 4. Okay, then n is equal to 4, then by using any one equation we get the value of m. Then by equation number 3 we get m upon 3m plus 3 is equal to 2 upon 2 into 4 plus 1, 2 upon 2 into 4 plus 1, and therefore 2 get cancelled, here 4 5. Okay, therefore it is 5m is equal to 3m plus 3, and then it is 2m is equal to 3, and therefore m is equal to 3 by 2. It is the value of m, and it is the ratio. It is the ratio. M is equal to, here by equation number 3 we put the value of n, and then this is 2 get cancelled, here 1 by 5 5m and is equal to 3m plus 3, and then 3m, it is a 2m equal to 3, and then m is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, okay, therefore point P divide OD in the ratio m is to 1. Therefore point P divides OD internally in the ratio (3:2), and therefore we can write it is OP each to PD is equal to 3:2. OP is to PD. OP is to PD is 3:2. That means P divides OD internally in the ratio 3:2. Okay.